Devastated. Absolutely devastated.
I thought we had it, do you know what I mean? But we didn't, so it is what it is.
Genuinely gutted. Can't believe it. Like, they had it in their hands and they just threw it away. So
Do you think they did their best?
100%, absolutely. They always do. That goes without question. To be fair, absolutely couldn't question their attitude or their application. But it is what it is.
Heartbroken. Heartbroken is an understatement. As in 2-0 up, it was a banker. It was coming in, and then let it go. I actually can't believe it. I'm still in shock. Look, players left everything on the pitch. Fair play to them, but just come up short. The story of Irish football, just coming up short.
Ireland made us believe in them again, which were at the beginning of the campaign we didn't start very well, but they actually made you believe that they would be able to do it.
Unbelievable experience to be here, be at the stadium for what we thought was going to be our big night, but look, wasn't to be.
There's ways to lose and that was it. 2 goals, crossbar, post, world class save. It's just Ireland, isn't it?
I feel like it was a great performance from the lads. Like, I'm very proud of them, but sometimes it just isn't meant to be, and today was one of them days, you know what I mean?
I'm just thankful that the players gave us hope, all I want from the Ireland team is to see us in it until the very end, and I think we were tonight, so I was very happy with it.
Very cruel, very tough to spend that long and put out that much amount of effort, and that was just us in the stands. But I can't even imagine how the lads on the pitch felt. But no, look, they did great. We're all very proud, obviously. But yeah, an awful shame.